I'm a little bit ashamed because here we are again. I told you I wasn't going to do dollar store DIYs anymore. I was trying to give it up. But every time I go to a store and I see something that's like accessories, my first thought is, I can make that for like $5. Please tell me if I'm not alone. We are redoing our downstairs living room, and accessories make a space. They make a house a home. And so I'm looking for things like greenery and candlestick holders and trays for the coffee table, but they're expensive. And I can make those for like $5 from the Dollar Tree. So here we are in today's video. I'm gonna try a bunch. All the things I wanted to buy for the basement, I'm gonna try to make it. Some might be epic fails. Some might turn out. Let's see. This tray actually worked out. We're gonna start with a tray because the truth is, having a coffee table without a tray is like having a naked coffee table. I don't know. You have to have something on a coffee table, and a tray corrals all the little things, your accessories, your remote controls, but they're so expensive. I went to so many different home stores looking for trays. I went to Wayfair. I could not find one for less than $70. $70, which of course made me think I could make this for like $5. So I went to the dollar store looking for things to make a tray, and they didn't have anything at the Dollar Tree, but at Dollarama I found this canvas. It's like a wooden canvas. So I literally just slapped some chalk paint on the wooden canvas in this pretty blue, which is an accent color that I love, that we're gonna have in the living room. And then I drilled some holes in the side and put some of this twine through to make a handle. One of the handles is slightly bigger than the other handle, but you'll never know when it's on a table. And honestly, I really like this. Just in case you don't have a Dollarama, you're not from Canada, I'm gonna show you how you can make a tray from Dollar Tree things. This is about $4 to make. I'm using 4 picture frames, taking them apart, taking the glass out, and with just the plastic frame, I'm stacking them and gluing them together. I thought this would look better than it does. If I'm totally being honest, you can kind of see through it. I feel like we could fix that. I've glued this all together. I've left the tabs on the bottom so I can put the glass and the bottom back in with some paper to make the bottom of the tray. So once I spray painted it white, it still had some cracks. I thought I should fill those cracks, so I decided to use the Dollar Tree twine and just wrap it in between where each of the picture frames were stacked. And I made these little handles just because a tray needs handles, you know what I'm saying? It's cute. I think I like the blue one better, but for some Dollar Tree picture frames and twine, this looks like a real thing. It's a little nautical, but very cute. I'm super happy with the way these turned out. I was looking for the 3-tiered pillared candles everywhere for the mantle that I'm gonna have, and they were so expensive. Candle holders, why so expensive? And I couldn't find any just basic ones anywhere, and I definitely wanted them blue. This one turned out, I'm excited about that. I actually found the candle holders from the Dollar Tree that started out, they were sweet with the little glass on them, and then I got some jars just to raise them up. And then I glued them together with E6000, and once they were dry, it was just one coat of spray paint, pop on some dollar store candles, and voila. These legit would be at least $60. $60, and I made them for under $6. I feel like drop the mic, yeah. It's like 60 takeaway. 6 is $54 in my pocket. I did math. You ready for so much cuteness? I love this one. Okay, I have a problem. I love all the green things, but I wanted a succulent box, and I wanted like a natural wood succulent box. These were like $100 on Wayfair and everywhere. Why so much for some fake succulents in a box? I have no idea, but I can make one from the Dollar Tree. So the dollar store has these bamboo drawer dividers, and I just used stone from my garden to fill in the bottom, and then all of the Dollar Tree succulents. The Dollar Tree has so many succulents to choose from. I just plopped them in the box. It was like 1 minute to make this. Look at how cute. I saved so much money. I think it looks really high end. You gotta make one of these. I think this one's my favorite. I'm not sure if I love how it turned out, but I love the savings. Let's just go there. I really wanted to have an olive tree for the downstairs basement, and I looked everywhere. All the home stores, Wayfair had them for $386, and that's the cheapest one I could find, which is insane. I definitely wanted a really tall one, but I thought, first of all, there's no way I'm spending hundreds of dollars on that, but I could also make it. So I looked up a tutorial how to make one of these, and you just use a stick. So I found a stick in the lot beside our house, and you drill holes in it and push in these Dollar Tree greenery. If you go to the Dollar Tree, they have a couple of different kinds of these like greenery picks. I bought every one that they had. They only had 14, and they were multiple colors. You can see they're all a little different, but I actually think it looks good that they're all slightly different put together. I definitely wanted a base for my tree, and I was looking at these rope buckets to put the baskets in. $40 was the cheapest one that I could find. So I went to the Dollar Tree and got one of their plastic white tubs and then just wrapped it in twine. The Dollar Tree has twine, and you just literally add some hot glue and wind it around the tub, tacking hot glue every now and then as you go. It was under 2 minutes to make this and under $2. So I love the way this turned out. You don't just have to use it for a pot, though I love it as a pot. You can be used as a basket for your home. Really inexpensive, and it looks really high end. So if you want a tree, a giant tree, I don't know why I was really wanting a giant tree. You gotta try making one. So thanks so much for watching. If you want to see my basement makeover, hit that subscribe button. That video is coming very soon. A lot of dollar store stuff going on in there, but it does look pretty good. So hit that subscribe button and like this video for more tips. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. Alicia's back here making fun of me, saying I have an addiction to greenery, and she said, you know, it'd be a fun end story to gather all the fake dollar store greenery that I have in my house and bring it all in here to see how much I have. So that's what we're gonna do. She's like, my strange addiction. Apparently I'm addicted to, am I? We're gonna see how much it is. All right, let's see. This makes me really happy. You know what? Okay, gathering this, I think Alicia wanted me to gather it, so I'd be like, oh, I'm disgusted. I'm not, Alicia. I love all my fake plants. They bring me happiness. I just want, on every surface, I want fake plants, especially the succulents. So cute. I probably have 100, and no, 100 isn't here. I have a bunch. I have spring and summer, and those ones are all packed away right now in my totes. So this is just what I have out during fall. Most of this came from the office. There's really nothing upstairs because it's all packed away in my spring and summer boxes. But let's take a tour of gorgeousness. Some of them from IKEA. Most of them are from the dollar store. They're just like, how can this not bring you joy? You know what I'm saying? Please let me know in the comments below if I'm a crazy person, or if, like, who doesn't want this on every surface in their house? Should I declutter these, or should I buy more? I'm gonna be honest, there's a package from Amazon coming today with lots of eucalyptus because I'm making that pot, that epic fail pot. I bought eucalyptus to go in it from Amazon, and the pot's a fail, so now I need a pot I could have used. You know what? Don't judge me. I know this is ironic when I tell you to declutter, and then I obnoxiously overbuy fake plants, but these legit make me very, very happy. I'm curious if you have a strange addiction. Let me know in the comments below if there are things you overbuy because they make you really happy. See you guys next time. I really wanted a pot. That's $3 I'll never see again. I feel like part of me has to salvage this $3. You look bad, friend. I'm so sorry. You gotta go. Maybe I'll sell you at my yard sale as a one-of-a-kind piece of art. What do you think? What do you think, Alicia?
I don't know if this is the one.
I don't know if this is the one either. But you know what? That's a no. Look at this though. These were actually $1. No, these were $2 from the dollar store. I'm just going to use this. No, it did not work out. That one's a fail. Fine. Wait, is it growing on you?
It's
No,
growing.
it looks terrible.
If you add a little pink,
No, it's trash.
a little white.
It's trash. We get it. It's garbage. Okay.